Hello everyone, I'm Amy. I'll introduce the brownie. Hanging clothes up to dry at night is forbidden during the ghost months in Taiwan. It's old tradition. Ancestors tell us it is forbidden because I will show you. We hang up the clothes up to dry and during the ghost months and ghost. This is a ghost. Don't care about my picture. Okay. The ghost like people. They also like beautiful clothes, so they will try to wear your clothes, and the ancestor says they will try to wear our people's clothes, and they will not to go out your clothes because when sunlight show up, they are afraid of the sunlight, so they will stay in your clothes. When you were these clothes, you will be sick or suffer from something bad. So that's the reason why ancestors tell us not hang up to dry clothes at night during the ghost months. But I searched the information on internet. Scientists found it is ancestor tell us is not true because we hang up clothes to dry during ghost months. At that time, there are many bugs. They will fly and stay on your clothes. And besides, there is steam in the air, so it's not easy to dry your clothes. So when another day you take your clothes in your room, you wear the clothes, you will find the bug, and maybe you will be sick because the bug will left secretion, and they will lay egg. They will